Mutual concessions, a path to understanding and agreement. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English communication, mutual concessions. This phrase might sound complex, but it's a powerful concept that helps us navigate disagreements and build stronger relationships. So, let's unpack what mutual concessions mean and how we can apply this in our daily conversations. Mutual concessions refer to a situation where two or more parties give something up to reach an agreement or find a middle ground. It's like a negotiation where each person makes a compromise to ensure that everyone involved can benefit or feel satisfied with the outcome. In simpler terms, it's about finding a balance where everyone makes a small sacrifice for the greater good of the relationship or the collective goal. Why are mutual concessions important? They play a crucial role in resolving conflicts and maintaining healthy relationships. Whether in personal interactions, professional environments, or international diplomacy, the ability to make concessions shows emotional intelligence, respect for others, and a commitment to positive outcomes. It's about understanding that sometimes, being right isn't as important as being happy or at peace with each other. Let's look at some practical examples. In a family, parents and children might make concessions on bedtime hours during the weekend. At work, colleagues might compromise on project roles to leverage each other's strengths effectively. Among friends, there could be concessions about which movie to watch, balancing everyone's preferences. These examples show how mutual concessions can lead to harmonious decisions and reinforce the value of teamwork and empathy. Making effective mutual concessions involves a few key steps. 1. Listen actively to understand the other person's perspective. 2. Communicate openly about your needs and limitations. 3. Be willing to adjust your expectations for the sake of agreement. 4. Seek a solution that respects everyone's core interests. It's about creating a win-win situation where, despite the concessions, everyone feels they have gained something valuable. Mutual concessions are more than just compromises. They're a testament to the strength of our relationships and our ability to collaborate towards common goals. By embracing this concept, we can build bridges, resolve conflicts, and foster a sense of community and understanding. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you navigate your conversations with more empathy and cooperation. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language and effective communication strategies.